Hello and welcome to a special edition of The Big Fight. For the last 2 weeks, the country has been riveted by one case in particular and an effort to try and get justice for Ruchika. It's a case that has been lingering for almost 19 years and now there seems to be finally progress that has been made in that. Now, the media has played a very important role in that and media has helped in pushing justice here and in other cases. But at the same time, there is an overall question that some people are then asking. Is this the role that the media should continue to play? Is it the media's role to deliver justice in these cases? Or is the media overstepping its bound in some way? Should the media be a watchdog and not be playing judge and jury at the same time? So those are some of the questions that we're going to be taking a look at and, of course, continuing to keep a very close focus on all that's happened in the Rathore case as well. And I'd like to welcome our very special guest, and it gives me great pleasure to welcome joining us from Chandigarh is Aradhana Sharma, Ruchika's friend and someone who's been fighting an extremely brave fight for 19 years now. Aradhana, thank you so much for joining us, and it gives us great pleasure to have you on the show on a day when, you know, there's again seems to be a lot of progress being made in this case.
Thank you for...
and also...
Thank you.
Great, Aradhana. Thanks for that you could join us. And I'd also like to welcome Aradhana's parents who are both with us here, right here in the studio. Mr. Anand Prakash, Aradhana's father, and so I have to say, tribute to your courage for fighting this case for 19 years. For the friend of your daughter, a lot of people don't fight that hard for their own children. You fought so hard for the friend of your daughter, so I think you do deserve a round of applause from all of us here, as indeed does Aradhana's mother, who's also sitting with us right here in the audience out there. Let me then welcome Prem Shankar Jha, columnist, one of the best-known journalists we have, who can perhaps comment on the media's role in all of this and what you think the media should and should not be doing in this case and also in other such cases moving forward. Mr. Ajay Jain was former counsellor to Mr. Rathore, the person who's been named in all of this, and I think you feel that this is a trial by media that is taking place and has gone too far, I think are the words that you said to me a short while back. Okay. We'll get your views on why you think the media is overstepping its bounds in a couple of minutes. And Madhu Keshwar, founder of Manashri NGO, among those who I think feels that media has its role to play but doesn't always speak for everybody. So, Madhu, great that you could join us as well. Right, Aradhana, why don't I just kick off with you? When you see justice finally seems that it's moving forward. We're talking about FIRs being filed. We're talking about Mr. Rathore now scurrying around trying to get bail in some sense. Is it a sense of vindication that you have? Is it a sense almost of sorrow that it took so long? And what do you think of the role that the media has played in this?
Media's role is pretty commendable. It's very difficult today to get the common man's voice to public all over the world. So thanks to media, electronic media as well, that today everybody in the world knows about this whole case and Ruchika molestation case and Rathore. So yes, it's commendable. And the way it's going, I was going from hope and doubt, from hope to doubt and from doubt to hope. So that is what I've been facing for last 10 days.
And what's your overwhelming feeling right now? Is it of hope or is it of still doubt that something will get done?
When he got bail, it was a doubt at 12:30 yesterday. But then I heard Meet Malhotra ji saying that it is just a setback. It is a procedure thing. And we should look forward and he will be getting arrested. So that is, then I again got hope. And today CM Huda ji has said that FIR will be registered sometime now.
Tuba.com